Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting and decor and makeovers. So using these items here, I'm going to do a bit of crafting today. We're in that bit between Christmas and New Year where I know Christmas is nearly over, but I've got some free time and I like to make some items, usually for next year. But I thought what I'm going to make now with these lolly sticks, I'm going to do some snowflakes, which could actually stay for winter, because obviously we're going to start taking our Christmas decorations down now, and then the house is going to get a bit empty looking. So if we could have some things, some decor pieces to stay for winter, that'll keep it looking nice, and that's going to last till March when we start doing for spring. So I thought I'll make these snowflakes, and these can be hung around the house. You could keep them for Christmas and they could sort of go on the tree. But I've just glue gun those sticks together, and then I'm just going to use my metallic paint pens to paint them. You could paint them first and then glue them together, but I thought, well, I'll just glue them together and then I'll do them over the top. You could use paint, but I just didn't want to faff too much, and I do love these paint pens because they're so simple to use. So that's what I'm going to do with those. Now, it's looking sort of finished, but I do think that it looks like it's missing another one. So, although I tried to do 3, I think I'm going to go with 4 lolly sticks, and that'll make it look more like a snowflake. So, I'm just going to, again, easily fix it, just add them on. So, definitely would use 4 lolly sticks. Just makes it look a little bit more like a snowflake. So I'm just going to fix these up, and then they're going to look pretty cool when they're finished. And as I said, I can put them around the house. I think could put some in the porch, could put them on doors and hang them up. I think I might put them in the hall for a bit of decor. You could paint the backs as well if because if you want to hang them like in front of a window, you could actually do them double-sided. So I think they're quite versatile, and as you can see, super easy and simple to make. So there's a winter craft idea that hopefully you might find interesting to try out. So just to sum up, get 4 lollipop sticks, glue them together with a glue gun or some super glue or some thick glue, and paint them with paint pens or normal acrylic paints, and then just stick sticky sequins onto them. Nothing could be simpler than that. And you can add extra things. There's all sorts of diamantes and things that you could stick on them. And as I say, you could do them double-sided. So there's lots of opportunities for customization there, which I think is nice because then everybody can make them their own. Okay, on to my second crafting idea. Now, this one is a bit of a Christmassy one. I got this wool from the works the other day. It was on sale, so that was pretty cool, and it's a really big one. So I bought 2 of those. And then I've got these craft feathers from Hobbycraft, which I did buy earlier in the season and haven't done much with them yet. So I thought, right, I better use those feathers. And I've got this wreath that I've had. I think I might have got that from Hobbycraft as well. But I thought, well, let's use it up. So I'm going to wrap the wool around the wreath so it's got a nice base on it. And then I'm going to stick the feathers on. And as I say, I think it's obviously going to look quite Christmassy. But, you know, I'll do it now and then I'll put it away and I'll get it out next year. So I'm already ahead of myself for next year's crafting ideas. So let's get rolling with the wool. You can see I've kept it really simple, so it's just feathers. It does sort of look like holly, I think, the green bit, so I might add berries onto it or some picks onto it or some embellishment, but I'm going to leave it like that for now and come back to it afresh next year. So, Happy New Year, everybody, and I'll see you in 2022.